Okay, now we're going to go with go on with the procedure. Yeah, I changed it a little bit from the initial setup. All I did was turn the ammeter on its side so that we could read the values a little bit easier. Uh, so let's go on with the experiment. So at the start, we've got 50 ohms here. The rheostat. Oh, let me make this a rheostat because we're going to be adjusting it as we go along. So let's close the switch, and there we go. We've got 0.2 amps, 200 milliamps, and 10 volts on the voltmeter. So let's stick with proper procedure. Close that off, and let's make this 40 ohms. 2 clicks there, and we got it. Let's turn this on, and it's now 0.22 amps, 220 milliamps, and the voltage is 11.11. We'll just go ahead and move the rheostat without opening the switch. We're not burning anything up. Let's go to 30 ohms, and now you see that the current is 250 milliamps, 0.25 amps, and the voltage is 12.5. Now let's go to 20, and the current is 290 milliamps or 0.29 amps, and the voltage is 14.29 volts. That's at 20. Now, just notice here that you can I don't know that you can see it on your screen, but there is very slow movement of the conventional current. If we were to switch this to the electron flow, you'll see they go in the opposite direction. We'll keep it in conventional current. That's the red arrows. Now we've already got the 290 milliamps and 14.29 volts. Let's do one more step here at 10 ohms. And at 10 ohms on the rheostat, we've got 0.33 amps or 330 milliamps and 16.67 volts. So that's it for this. This portion, this is data table 1 this is data table 1 RS for the first value. Then we're going to change it to 30 and we'll do another procedure, but I'll stop the video here.